Hey beauties, unbox this ULTA Beauty gift that I got, as well as some little goodies that I went and stopped and got at the store. So excited. I'm gonna open the box last because that's what I'm like most excited for. I'm gonna show you guys first the little makeup goodies that I got. I was on the way to work and they had a sale and I had to stop in and grab some things. These are all from Essence Cosmetics. Every single thing in this bag is from Essence Cosmetics. So I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I got from here. So this is the Essence Nude Eyeshadow Palette. I really love these colors and I'm mostly like a nude person when I do eyeshadow. But you guys, look at these. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Like, look at these colors. I can't wait to use this. I love a good gold shimmer, and this rose gold shimmer, good bronze and a good like dark brown. Like, I love it. Oh my gosh, this is all the colors you need, and it has a mirror. Like, what? Yes, get into it. I love this. This is so cute. Really good price. Love Essence Cosmetics so much. They are so good. This I already have a bunch of. So they have the buy two get one free sale. So that's exactly what I did. I have a bunch of these. Love this lip stain. If you guys need a good lip stain, it's also good for your cheeks. Like a good blush stain. Really good. Like I like simple little makeup looks. Like if I'm just in a rush and I don't really have time to do so much makeup, or I don't feel like wearing so much makeup, I'll put this on, like a little lip, a little mascara, a little blush. Good to go. Good to go. Always makes me look refreshed, you know, just feminine. Very, very beautiful. Love this stuff. Very good lasting lip tint as well. $4.99. $5. Go get you one. So you guys know this is a very viral mascara. Love this mascara so much. My favorite mascara. Also, this is a lash primer. I notice when I wear a lash primer, my lashes look really, really good. So I like to put a lash primer on now before I do my mascara. So yeah, this is a lash primer. It's white. You put it on your lashes. You put it on your lashes before you put on your mascara. It just makes your lashes look so long, and it is bomb, okay? It's bomb. Love it, love it, love it. I'm gonna show you guys how I use this if you've never used it before. But you pretty much just put this on first, let it dry a little bit, and then you're gonna put your mascara on, your lashes. Thank me later. Thank me later. Also, this really, really beautiful, when I tell you guys beautiful, this beautiful eyeshadow from Essence. Just look at this. So it's flakes. I got two colors. I got these two colors. This is the one that's pink, which is number 2, Casanova. It's not open, but I'm gonna open it for you guys, okay? So this is what it looks like. Let's put some on. So you want to have on, of course, an eyeshadow under this. You can wear it by itself. You just want like a little, you know, like I'm a model in Europe type of look. But I saw a video of people putting it on like over their, I saw people putting it over their eyeshadow, like just making it pop. And when I tell you, it was so cute. It's not coming on my There it goes. Most of it is on my hand. That's what it looks like. Very much fairy princess. I'm not gonna put on a lot. It is not a lot of products, but it is a very good price. So I don't want to, like, you know, waste it and play in it when I'm not really gonna like wear it. I'm going to bed, like I have nowhere to go with this on, but I'm just trying to show you guys. And it's sticking to my hand. Look at my hand. It's really on my hand. It won't really come off, but it's on my hand really good. Maybe you need to apply it with like some type of brush or something. But I saw the girls wearing it, and it's giving fairy princess. So that's that color. That's like a pink one. And this one I love. Like, I should have gotten more of these. But this one is like the real fairy looking one, so you can see how they look. This is like a pink one, and this is like the white one. So this is like giving unicorn vibes. You guys see that? It's like literally like a rainbow. Literally like a rainbow. Very cutesy. But I love it. It's just really giving like fairy vibes. Like, this is something I would even wear like by itself. I'm going to definitely go get more of these. I was just budgeting that day, so I didn't get like too much, but I definitely want more of these because look at it. Very pretty. And that was a very little bit. Like, I mean, it literally was just the product that was on the top of the top of the bottle. So get your sparkle on. Love It Essence. Love Essence. That was the whole. This is everything Essence. Everything is Essence. Every single thing. So that is everything I got from ULTA, from Essence. Now let's get to the unboxing. Okay, you guys. Okay, so this is a free gift with purchase over $70. This is a plush throw limited edition ULTA blanket. I heard this was very soft, and just, this is gonna be my plain blanket. I'm taking this on the plane. My next trip to Nigeria. Definitely very soft. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, very soft. Very cozy. I wonder how big it is. 50 by 60 inches. 50 by 60 inches. Just enough. It's just a little throw. It's not like a full set blanket or nothing. It's just a throw. But look at how beautiful. And it's very soft. So thanks, ULTA. Thanks for the gift. Love it so much. Okay, I got this fresh cream gift set. So basically, this is the fresh cream gift set. So this is the warm cashmere. Actually, I've heard a lot of great things about this one, so I really wanted to try it, and they had it in a gift set, so I was like, why not? We're definitely gonna get the gift set. So I basically got the small one for free. So, oh my gosh, I love Philosophy. Love Philosophy so much. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use this. I love it. So little, just, you know, good little travel size. Good little, I keep breaking things. I don't know how big of a bottle this is. So this one is a, this is a 2 fluid ounce. So this is a 2 ounce and this is a 0.5. So this is a 1/2 ounce. This is a 2 ounce. So let's smell her. Definitely have smelled it before. Very warm, very cozy, but it does smell really good. I wonder if I like the fresh cream better than this one. Not sure. I need to really smell it and try to get into it, but I like this one. But this is really good for the winter time. I love it. It's very just clean, just a very clean, cozy, warm type of scent. Actually, what I got, don't need to smell this one. Love it. I already know. Love this one so much. I got Amazing Grace perfume. This is the ULTA Perfume. So this is the stronger one. ULTA Perfume. This is the perfume. So it's stronger than the Toilette, which this is Toilette. But I'm going to just wear it on my arm. See how I like it. If not, I will be exchanging it for the fresh cream. Because I do want the fresh cream. It's just more vanilla. Like, it smells more vanilla. Probably going to be exchanging it for the fresh cream. So, going to keep you guys updated on that. Yeah, but I love Amazing Grace. I love this. When I worked at Macy's, we had Philosophy there. And I would always spray on this stuff. And I would just, like, smell it on myself when I was home. And I was always obsessed with it. Never really bought it because I just always like sprayed it on at work. So I always had it. But now that I don't work at Macy's anymore, I was like, I love this stuff. So I seen it at ULTA. Yeah, she's going back. Sorry, you guys. I tried to get into it. I'm trying to really get into it. I'm trying to like her because so many people, and it's not about what people say smells good. It's what you like. But so many people was like, oh, no, not fresh cashmere. Not fresh cream. Warm cashmere is that girl. She's that girl. But she's not giving me that she is that girl. And it smells better when you first spray it than the dry down, which is rare for a perfume because the dry down is usually like, smells better. But it's just something about it. There's something about it that I'm not loving. Not loving it. I'm gonna exchange this for a regular fresh cream. Yeah, I can't get into it. Cannot get into it at all. But I do love my Amazing Grace so much. This one smells so good. I'm telling you guys. Yeah, no. Tried to love it, wanted to love it. I'm not a return. I'm not an exchange person. But I'm also not a, I'm going to waste my money and wear this stuff when I don't like it and waste $60. I'm not that person either. So she's definitely going back. We're going to exchange for a either Fresh Cream or a Amazing Grace. So yeah, not keeping it. Thank you guys for watching. I love Ulta so much. It's like my go-to beauty supply store. Love Ulta down. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what is your favorite Philosophy product. They have a lot of perfumes, but the warm cashmere is not doing it for me like I thought. I really wanted to love her. I really wanted to get into her. But I don't know, maybe the dry down, or I don't know. I'll see how it is, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to be exchanging it for Fresh Cream. So I'm going to keep you guys posted on that, and see you guys in the next video.